Look past the colossal grills, and you may very well notification a couple of minivans. Jokes to the side, Toyota has revealed the fourth-age Alphard close by the Vellfire. These follow the as-of-late presented rich Lexus LM, a precisely related vehicle in light of a similar TNGA case stage. We're managing the main Toyota models to have steps on both left and right sliding entryways, with the stage rising around 220mm, 8.6 inches, over the ground. The square-shaped minivans are 49.95mm, 196.6 in long, and share a gigantic wheelbase, extending at 3000mm, 118.1 in. Both are 1850mm, 72.8 in, wide, while level relies upon the model and trim level, either 1935mm, 76.2 in, or 1945mm, 76.5 in. The Alphard and Vellfire can situate up to 6 individuals in a 2+2+2 design, with second column chief seats. There's currently an additional 5mm in the middle, between the initial 2 columns, and 10 extra millimeters in the middle, between the second and third lines. Toyota's new strongly styled individuals movers are promoted as being extravagance cantinas, and share a huge above console extending from front to raise. It integrates ventilation, side lighting, and an arrangement of controls. The Alphard and Vellfire utilize the organization's most memorable drawdown coverings, and recently created seats that guarantee to be more agreeable by decreasing vibrations. Inflexibility is up by 50% thanks to the new design, while the additional sound-stifling material and explicit tires lessen the commotion that enters the lodge. Toyota introduces a McPherson Swagger front suspension and a reconsidered two-fold wishbone back. Proprietors will actually want to leave the vehicle from a distance by utilizing a cell phone application. Both can be had with front or all-wheel drive, as well as a crossbreed powertrain, with a module half and half arrangement to be added later. The most remarkable of the bundle is a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-chamber motor accessible in the Vellfire. Tuned to convey an energetic sound, it makes 275 horsepower, 205 kilowatts, and 316 pound-feet, 430 Newton-meters of force.